Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to restrict an account on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press the bell icon, so that you'll never miss another update from us. Before moving on, let me tell you what restrict means on Instagram. If you restrict someone on Instagram, they won't be able to see when you're online or if you've read their messages. Their new comments on your post will only be visible to that person, and you can choose to see the comment by tapping See the Comment. If you want others to be able to see their comments, you can tap Approve, and then Approve to confirm, or you can delete it or ignore it. Once you restrict someone, you won't receive any notifications or a future comment from that person. You can also restrict multiple people on your comments. Let me show you how you can restrict someone on Instagram. Tap Open your Instagram application from your app drawer. Sign into your account, if necessary. Once you're in from the home screen, tap on your profile button at the bottom right corner, and go to your profile page. From your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu, in the top right corner. Tap on Settings at the bottom from the expanded menu, and tap on Privacy. Under Settings, under Connections, tap on Restricted Accounts, and tap on Continue. Search for the account you'd like to restrict in the search box, and once you find the contact, tap on Restrict. Once you do that, you have restricted someone on Instagram easily. After you do that, you can protect your account from unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow people you know. If you want to unrestrict the person back, then all you need to do is go to your profile page one more time and tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner. Tap on Settings from the expanded menu, and under Settings, tap on Privacy under Connections. Tap on the Restricted Accounts button. Tap on Continuing. After you're done, you'll be able to see the list of the people that you're restricted on Instagram. To unrestrict them, simply tap on Unrestrict next to the username, and there you go. That way, you've learned how to restrict and unrestrict someone on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.